Payment by piece. Payment by piece, or piecework, refers to payment for the amount of work completed. It is commonly paid for jobs such as car detailing and letterbox delivery. There are some advantages and disadvantages to being paid by piecework. In your notes, make sure that you identify those advantages and disadvantages. You'll find them on page 63 of your textbook. Let's have a look at some examples. Len has a job washing cars in a car yard. He is paid $2.25 per car washed. Calculate what Len earns in an afternoon where he washes 24 cars. Well, we know that he's paid $2.25 per car. And how many cars does he wash? 24. So check on your calculator. You will find that he earns $54. Holly is delivering brochures to letterboxes in her local area. She is paid $23 per 1,000 brochures delivered. That means for every 1,000 brochures that she delivers, she gets $23. Calculate what Holly will earn for a delivery of 3,500 brochures. Well, she gets $23 per 1,000 and she's delivering 3,500, 3,500. So she will earn $80.50. A doctor charges each patient $33.50 for a consultation. She works for 6 hours a day and usually sees 5 patients per hour. Part A, how much money does the doctor receive each day? All right, let's work it out. She earns $33.50 for one consultation. Now, she usually sees 5 patients in 1 hour. And how many hours a day does she work? She works 6 hours a day. So each day she receives $1,005. But the doctor also has costs of $410 per day. What is the profit for the day? All right, well, what has she received? $1,005, but she has costs of $410. So her profit, the leftover amount, will be $595. Income from the government. Some people receive a pension, allowance or benefit from the government. The following table shows the amount of youth allowance paid under various circumstances. So you can see up here, this is your maximum fortnightly payment. So you're paid every fortnight, and this is the most that you can receive. It's dependent on your income, on how much you're earning. The more you earn, the less payment you're going to receive every fortnight. Let's have a look. Angelo is 17 years old, single, has no children, and lives at home while he works as an apprentice electrician. Calculate the maximum amount of youth allowance that Angelo can receive. Okay, he's 17 years old and he's single. So single, younger than 18, he has no children and he lives at home. So this is the part of the table that applies to him. What is the maximum amount of youth allowance he can get? It's $249.20 every fortnight. The maximum youth allowance is reduced by $1 for every $4 that the youth's parents' income is over $31,400. By how much is Charlotte's youth allowance reduced if her parents earned a combined income of $34,728? Well, I guess the first question you need to ask yourself is, well, how much over the $31,400 threshold is her parents' income? Let's work that out. Okay, check on your calculator. So they're $3,328 over that threshold. Now that youth allowance is reduced by $1 for every $4 in this amount here. Well, I wonder how many lots of $4 there are in 3,328. $832. So her maximum youth allowance is reduced by $832. Now in exercise 2C, to achieve your learning goal, you have these following questions to practice. 2, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11 and 13.